everyone. Welcome to Weekly Market Insights. I am your RV Raju Angadi Vishwanath, SEBI registered research analyst. For the final week of September 2024, we are in a parabolic bull run in the equities. Commodities, silver and gold also are on rise. US markets have scored on a higher note. Why? Because US markets have got a bumper from the Fed, like around 50 basis point cuts. Today in this session, we are going to discuss the Indian markets, how they are trending, what is the trend, how to plan your trades for the week, for the Nifty, Bank Nifty, other sectors which are to be traded, and which are the stocks looking good on the charts. We are going to discuss a certain amount of stocks and trends and also the commodities. So let's start with the Nifty analysis, friends. In between also we are going to discuss certain aspects of the stocks. So watch this video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Traders Hut, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on the Twitter and Instagram handle for the regular updates. Traders Hut. Let's get into the Nifty analysis. So Nifty has shown a strong rise of 1.5% on the Friday session. So overall for the week, Nifty has been on a positive note. The strong trend seems to be intact. Some channel minor hurdle or resistance is there, is what we are facing. 25,850, 840 levels. We have some resistance. If that crosses, then again 25,935 and 26,020 is the key level. 25,935 to 26,020 crosses, then 26,200 Nifty could act as a resistance. So what are the levels? If we are going to rise in a parabolic run. The consolidation, if it happens to be on a smaller period for a few days, couple of days, then again the rise would continue unless until we break the levels of 25,480 levels are taken out. 480 levels are taken out. In fact, sorry, 25,300 levels are taken out. We are 300 to 250 is taken out. Basically, the major reversal can only be seen below 25,200 to 300, where the support is placed. Now, after a strong run on the Fridays, what are the support zones where we could see support could be held on and bought? 25,660 to 700, 25,640 to 580 are the two support zones. So 25,640 to 580 is a good support, and 25,697. So in fact 640 to 700 could be the some one pause, and the next leg towards 25,935 and 26,020 or 26,200 could be on the cards for the Nifty. Why there is a parabolic rise? Because the extension of the wave 5 is what we are witnessing in the markets. So the parabolic run might continue. Bank Nifty has entered the wave 3 rise, so the rise could continue. Even though we have seen an extension of 161.8, there can be some more rise towards 200%. 54,700 holds to be some resistance, 700 to 800. If we rise above 54,000 and 54,070 levels, 54,750 levels can be seen in the Bank Nifty in the form of extension, or even 55,000 levels could be on the cards for the Bank Nifty. Well, what could be the decline in this case scenario? Even if we take a pause around 53, 9 and 850 to 54,100, 200 levels, if we take a pause, the pullback could be maximum towards 53 to 50 or 50 to 800 levels could be the area of pullback, where we can see the pullback in a shift way the chances are quite absolute. One more rise are more expected, while the data hints there is unwinding in the 26,000 calls. So the coming back to the Nifty before getting into the Bank Nifty. So data for the Nifty 26,000 call unwinding is seen. So we are opened about 26,000, 25, 800, 700, 600 and 500. All the put way towards 25,800 to 25,500 put writing is seen. So that's the data for the weekly expiry. Coming to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, where it can rise up to 54,100 to 53,900. Some resistance is there, 850,900. So that crosses 54,735 or 55,040 levels could be tested. It's a buy on dips. Don't try to short the Bank Nifty, even if it is a private sector banks rise or whatever it might be. The seems or the rally could be in a stronger note than what we are expecting. So be cautious with the Bank Nifty trends. Don't try to short the banks. The rise can be stupendous here, is what we feel. What we expect more than that, we could see the rise. So be cautious on that note. So the third can extend towards 56,500 to even 57,000. Then some consolidation to correction and the rally would continue towards 60,000 levels. In the Bank Nifty is as the charts hint in the Bank Nifty. So dips would be an ideal opportunity. 52,800 would be the ideal opportunity. 52,200 would be the stop if we get a dip. In that case, even on a shorter degree note, some consolidation might happen, but on a 30 minutes note, if we are pulling back again, the pullback would be towards 53, 480. Is the support 440 to 480, 53,430 to 480, and 53,138 is the support. 52,640 is a bear case scenario, where best case where we can see the pullback, but don't see that kind of a pullback, as Bank Nifty looks to be on a stronger note. Some consolidation might happen between 54,000 to 53,000 broadly. As the data ends 53,500 put only writing is seen. So 53,430 to 53,530 some support is there. So that could be the good support zone for the Bank Nifty. 54,050 crosses 54,735, 55,000 and 55,227 can be tested in the Bank Nifty. Which are the other sectors which look strong? Well, the metal index is on the verge of a breakout and the trend line has been broken out. Once we cross the Friday's levels or 9,460 levels is taken out, metal index can see the rally. The ABCDE could have been completed in that sense. So it looks to be a very good idea for metal index until this low is not taken out, 9,000. 180 levels. Metal index looks strong on that note. Metal stocks cannot perform. Apart from that, which of the indexes which are looking good? Banking and financials already on a rally, which could start this week. So I would be seeing two sectors which could, two or three sectors which could start the rally. Automobile again has started the pullback rally. The strong trend has started in M&M, Eicher Motors and all. Apart from that, we are going to see the infra index, where there is some good buying happening in the infra index. The index is on the verge of a breakout and it can hit 10,000 plus zones. Infra Nifty infra index is looking very good on the charts. Nifty infra index is what I'm talking about. It's looking after a triangular consolidation. Index looks to be very good on the charts and the breakout has happened. Once 9,480 to 500 crosses, infra index is headed towards 10,000 plus levels. So what to buy? Straight away I'm going to discuss the stocks at the later part. Infra, reality, which is looking good on the cards. Reality as a breakout and metals has broken out. Infra, reality, and metals. It's a risk on rally clearly is what we are seeing, which is panning out in the markets. So maybe few months it might take the uptrend to continue. Infra, reality, and metals are the sectors for the week, which looks good on the sector rotation part. Banking and financial, some move with the consolidation to pause. Rally has started. For trend is positive. Auto also looks positive. So overall structure still seems to be on a bullish note. So that's on the index analysis. Basically, the top sectors to watch out are infra, reality, metals, with auto, banking and financials could continue on the buying side. So I'm going to discuss now the stocks of the week. Before getting into the stocks of the week, if you like the video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on the Twitter handle Traders Hut, as well as on the Instagram for the regular updates. If you would like to know more about our premium services, advisory, live trading room, or option Zeta workshop, do visit us on tradershut.com. Yes, here is our website. We are SEBI registered. So that's a brief about our company and our advisory services. So basically that's about us. Feel free to contact us for more details, and do get in touch with us as on the above mentioned contact number details here. Let's learn, earn, and prosper and march towards financial freedom together. Let's get into the stocks of the week, guys. So top pick of the week would be Larsen and Turbo LNT 3680 3720. Very important support until that is broken out. Buy every dip in the LNT. 300740 to 780 would be an ideal buying opportunity for the LNT. Once we cross 3830, 3000 4050, 4500 plus levels in the LNT can be watched out. We can easily see 4500 plus levels on the LNT. The impulse can take it to the next level. The stock and the large cap, which looks good on a fifth wave advance, which is likely due, and we could be seeing a stupendous rally in the LNT. Similarly, the IRB infra, the basing has been done. Trend line breakout is on the way. We are about to break out. Stocks looks positive as the infra index starts rallying. 6350, 64 above, we sustain. The stock can head towards 80 and 100 plus levels. The stop would be 58, ideally 57 to 58 would be the stop. The larger candle stop would be, we would be expecting. DLF is looking good on the cards. The short simple trend line breakout and the channel breakout has occurred, and the stock is what we are seeing in this stock. So the stock looks very good on the charts. In fact, 881 above DLF is a very good buy. Oberoi Reality 1872 above is a very good buy. The two infra and reality is the top picks what we are discussing. ICICI Prudential is looking good for 850 plus levels. 850 to 880, 775 crosses. The stock looks good. Tech Mahindra double bottom pattern is getting witnessed for 1750, 1800 levels. Stock is forming a basing level 1570 to 1620 is a good basing zone for the Tech Mahindra. HDFC Bank dips at the bank. Even you may or may not get a dip. 1720, 1710 to 25 would be ideal buying chance. Colgate, the momentum buy on the FMCG front for 4000 or 3900 levels, 3700 above. Conditional basis, Dabur 672 above. We are going to buy the Dabur for 700, 720 levels for the expiry week. Deepak Nitrate is one more trending stock. LNT, Deepak Nitrate, DLF, Oberoi Reality, and IRB as our top picks, where we are forming a basing formation here until the levels of 2800, 780 is held on. One can take a chance. Completely pure contrarian bet based on the Elliott waves we are taking. and we are going to see the 3000 plus levels in the stock. Bharat Forge also is basing out. We have to watch out the stock. IGL above 560 looks very good on the cards. Above 560 stock is headed towards 620 plus levels. 175 above conditional basis cub is a buy. Tata Consumer 1235, 1235 above is a buy. TVS Motors also looking good after a consolidation. We can head towards 3000 plus zones, 3000, 3100. So here are the list of stocks which we have discussed, where we can see the good trends, some 10 to 15 stocks, where the trend could be on a positive note, and we can see a good move in these stocks for the week. So trade in these stocks with the levels. Uh, but a disclaimer I would like to add: stock market investments are subject to market risk. Please read the related documents carefully before trading or investing. Do consult your financial advisor. I am a SEBI registered research analyst. Also, I am a short-term trader. I may or may not have the positions in the short-term index or stock options. I may hold the trades. As of now, I don't have, but I might carry the positions as a trader. So this is a disclaimer, brief disclaimer about us. Now let's get into the commodities trends. What is silver doing? It may or may not consolidate. If we cross 90,600, 700 levels, 92,000 and 94, 500 and 97,000 is on the silver, is clearly on the card. Sells some consolidation towards 88,600 to 88,900 levels. With 88,000 as a stop, silver can consolidate. Then the impulse would rise in a strong note, is what we believe. Silver clearly a buy on dips. What about the copper and all? I would not be clear unless until we cross the levels of 820. 820 crosses, copper would be ideal buying opportunity. Maybe the trend line is broken. I would be waiting for 820 to cross in the copper. So similarly, 186 crosses led is a ultimate buy. So DXY, what it is doing, let's see. DXY is consolidating, and once we break below 140 or 120 levels, the dollar index is way heading down towards the lower levels. US markets clearly consolidating. ABC, the consolidation might continue in the Nasdaq 18,500 to 19,900 or 20,000 levels. Then the next leg of rise towards 21 might come. The consolidation might happen in the Nasdaq. Dow Jones is on a rise, but some trendline resistance near 43,000. So DAX, it's consolidating after a rally. ABC. Now the impulse decline could start. So another 400 points, 500 points decline. Again, irregular flat completes, the rally would resume on the upwards. The trend does not change in a larger degree. As simple as that, we have seen all the indices and the commodities. So wisely, we have selected the stocks with a limited low risk trade setup. Stop pick could be L&T, IRB, DLF, and Oberoi Reality with Deepak Nitrate with low risk, high reward trade setup is our picks for the week. That's it for the weekly analysis and the insights for the final week of September 2024. Happy trading and happy investing. Use the levels wisely. We have not taken the Elliott waves counts as it might be complicated for everyone. Simple structure with the key objective levels have been explained. Signing up for now, your RV. See you all next week. Back again with the market analysis, trends, and the objective to the point analysis and trade setups.